ట్రిప్లెక్స్ విల్లాలు మీకోసం సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాయి. APR ప్రాజెక్ట్ బాచుపల్లి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
అందరూ బాగున్నారా?
అందరూ బాగున్నారా? హైదరాబాద్కి రావడం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. Was it okay?
एकदम जबरदस्त.
How do you say zabardast in Telugu?
किराक.
Huh?
जबरदस्त only.
No, say some
किराक. You can say like this. एकदम किराक है तुम लोग.
एकदम खिराक है तुम लोग. Correct?
Absolutely correct.
No, but I'm so happy to be here. Firstly, thank you so much for such a warm welcome. We released our trailer in Mumbai, and Rashmika was so sweet that with her injury, she still traveled all the way to Mumbai to my home. So it was only fair that when we are releasing our first song, I had to come to her home. And here we are, releasing our first song, Jaane Tu. It's a very, very special song because it just emotes the bonding between Maharaj and Maharani, which goes way beyond love. And I hope that you like the song. It is the coming together of three geniuses, three maestros, the one and only A.R. Rahman sir, Arijit sir, now Padma Shri Arijit sir, and Irshad Kamil sir. So it has always been a dream for me that one day I hope I get to do a film which says music by A.R. Rahman, and this is my first film. So thank you to yours too. Oh wow! So from both of us, thank you to Dinesh Vijan sir for making it happen. Thank you to Lakshman Uttekar sir, our director, for just bringing us together in this epic saga called Chhaava.
अगर मैं बात करूँ इस गाने की विकी, इस गाने में आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स गाना बहुत अच्छा है, अरिजीत सिंह जी की आवाज़ है, रहमान साहब का म्यूज़िक है, बट आपको इसमें परफॉर्म करते हुए कैसा लगा?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था बिकॉज आपने जैसे ट्रेलर भी देखा होगा. देखिए, हर फिल्म में आप कोशिश करते हो कि 9 रस जो होते हैं वो 9 के 9 रस आप एक्सप्लोर करें. बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट अ वॉरियर एंड अ किंग लाइक छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज, उनकी ब्रेवरी, उनका बलिदान, उनका जो अग्रेशन है, दैट टेक्स द फोरफ्रंट ऑलवेज इन एवरी स्टोरी. But there is also he's also a husband, he's also a father, he's also a friend, he's also a warrior, he's also a king. So this song gave me the opportunity to play the husband, the father and the friend. And that for me was very special in this film.
Vicky, I want to ask you, I mean, look at you, your physical transformation for this movie, and I'm sure there's a mental transformation as well. So what do you have to say about that?
There was about 6 to 7 months time that I was only prepping for this film, because that prep became my full-time job, which included gaining about 25 kilos of weight, growing your beard and your hair, and sitting with the script, understanding the history, researching that, sitting with Lakshman sir and the writer Rishi Vermani, and learning how to ride a horse, sword fighting, all the other action training, because Lakshman sir was very clear that I will only start the film when you physically look the part, when you can ride the horse, and when you can use a sword like your third hand. These were his 3 criteria. He's like, whatever time you need, I'm not going to start the film till then. And what he used to do, he's a very smart guy. Every time I used to meet him, because I would meet him almost every day, and we have a habit of always hugging first. I realized that much later, because every time he used to hug, more than giving me love, he's hugging me to check if I'm putting on weight or not. So he would hug me and then feel ki, sir, how much more time? How much more time? So after a point, I used to get very nervous to hug him. So I used to just shake his hand from far away because he'll feel ki, oh, I'm not putting on weight, I'm not putting on muscle. So there was a lot of physical prep involved and horse riding and all of that. So that was there. But more than that, it was, like you mentioned, the mental prep. You know, because even though you've got the surface right, it's how do you play a warrior and a warrior like Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. And actually, Lakshman sir, our director, came to the rescue and he simplified it for me. And he said that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj for me is like Prabhu Sri Ram. And Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj for me is a lion. There is no other way I can simplify this character for you. So now I don't know how you study a lion, what you do, but in each frame, no matter what emotion you're playing, no matter what activity you're doing, I should feel like there's a lion walking, there's a lion fighting, there's a lion talking. So that just, I don't know, that just gave a switch. And more than that, it's always, more than the prep, it's always the faith that you're given. Lakshman sir, from the very beginning, has only called me, till date, he only calls me Raze. And I used to find it very sweet, till I didn't realize that subconsciously, he's making me believe that I am Raze. And I realized that much later. But I think that one thing was the biggest contributor in making me able to play Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. हमारा छावा दुनिया के सामने लेके आने का प्राइमरी रीज़न वाज दैट छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के बारे में दुनिया भर के लोगों को पता है, पर छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज के बारे में उतना सबको डिटेल में नहीं पता जितना पता होना चाहिए। उन्हें धर्म रक्षक, धर्मवीर क्यों बोला जाता है? हमारा एक ही गोल रहा है कि इस फिल्म को हम एज ऑथेंटिकली, एज ग्रैंडली एंड एज अनअपोलोजेटिकली बता सकें, वो हमने कोशिश की है। बाय द एज ऑफ 30 छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज ऐसे राजा थे जो 13 से ज़्यादा भाषाओं का ज्ञान था उन्हें। वो किताबें लिखते थे, ही वॉज इनटू लिटरेचर, ही वॉज इनटू पोएट्री। 60 किलो की तलवार उठाते थे वो। एंड बाय द एज ऑफ 30 ही हैड फॉट 127 वॉर्स एंड लॉस्ट नन। Probably the only king and a warrior to never have lost a single war, a single battle. That was Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. And वो हमें लगता है कि आज की यूथ को, आने वाली यूथ को बहुत ज़रूरी है ऐसे योद्धाओं की कहानी, उनकी वीर गाथा को जानने का। और not just Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, India has produced such amazing warriors that I think all of those stories should now come out and be told when we are so technologically advanced. Our filmmaking, our storytelling is at par with the world outside India. I think it's such a brilliant time to bring forward the stories of our true superheroes. And I truly feel that Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj were our true superheroes. So we take great pride in giving it our all to bring this story forward. Hats off to Dinesh Vijan sir for backing such a project, for having faith, to Lakshman sir, who's been the person jahan se ye germ aaya hai, who's always been wanting to tell this story. And I truly feel blessed that Lakshman sir and Dinu sir chose me to play the part of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. I think such an opportunity only blessed people can get. You know, there must be something good I must have done at some point, at some lifetime, that I'm getting such opportunities. And it's been such a privilege for me, for Rashmika, for the entire cast, to see this film shape up in the way that it has done, because we always felt like, to just give you an anecdote, जो आप ट्रेलर में सीन देखते हैं राज्याभिषेक का, जो राज्याभिषेक हो रहा है, हमारी फिल्म की शूटिंग राज्याभिषेक जिस दिन हुई थी, that was 16th of January 2024. When it had actually happened was 16th of January 1681. So we categorically chose कि नहीं, हम उसी दिन करेंगे, on the anniversary of राज्याभिषेक of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. We shot the sequence, and हर दिन जब भी हम शूटिंग शुरू करते थे, शिव गर्जना होती थी और फिर शूटिंग होती थी. So we used to pray to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and only then start our shooting. So this film has been made with a lot of blessing, and we feel with a lot of, I don't know, we felt like there was a divine blessing always with us during this shoot, because there's so many things happened, injuries have happened, things have gone up and down, but there was something that made us realize that whatever happened, happened for the best for the film. So we really have our prayers going very strongly right now as we have stepped out to start promoting our film. And we would like to thank, firstly, to each and everyone who's watching this live and on their internet through our beautiful members of the media, that please do come on the 14th of Feb, not for us, not for anybody else, but just for the glory of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj.
आई एम श्योर 14 फरवरी को पूरा हैदराबाद तो ये पक्का देखेगा फिल्म, और पूरा भारत भी देखेगा.
मैं रश्मिका को फोन करके पूछने वाला हूँ कि हैदराबाद जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है फिल्म देखने. हैदराबाद जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा फिल्म देखने? हाँ,
करेक्ट, एवरीवन विल गो, पक्का. 2 दिन पहले की बात है, 10 लोगों के बीच में मैं बैठी थी और 10 के 10 यही पूछ रहे थे कि कब चलना है देखने छावा.
So by now it's your responsibility, by the 14th, that 10 should become 100 and 100 should become 1000, 1000 should become 1 lakh and then crores.
कसम खाती हूँ,
है ना?
महाराज और महारानी के सामने कसम खाती हूँ, मैं ये पक्का करके रहूंगी.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.